Good morning, people. Welcome back to my channel. Day 2 of our ride to Zanskar, and right now, guess where we are? We are at Aurangabad. This is about 30-40 kilometers off Aurangabad. We came further last night. This is near the Jyotirlinga Temple, and we have the Ajanta Ellora caves right here. We went early morning for a darshan at Jyotirlinga Temple, Grishneshwar Jyotirlinga Temple. That's what it is, one of the 12 Jyotirlingas in India. So that is where we stayed, the hotel, and that is our room on top, the one where my jacket is hanging. So the plan for today, we're going to drive another 800 kilometers, I think 775 to be precise, to Udaipur. That's where we headed to stay today. So we're going to stay over at Udaipur, do a little bit of exploring, and then from there leave to Amritsar in Punjab. So Rajasthan it is for today. So we are off from Velur. This is near Jyotirlinga Temple. Heading to Udaipur today. Hopefully we should be there by 10 in the night. And that is Sandeep. Huh?
10% ethanol.
ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು
ಇವಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಬರೋದು ಅದು ಹಂಗೆ.
ಬಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ ದಾರಿಲಿ. It says Indore and Surat is on the same route. So that is Sandeep Anand on his Honda Africa Twin 2018 model, I think it is 2019 model. So both of us are the ones riding, Sandeep Anand and me, two Africa Twins heading to Zanskar. There you can see Sandeep O positive. Say hi, Sandeep. So beautiful weather again today. It is cloudy, but it's not as cool as Karnataka. This is Maharashtra, and we'll touch a bit of Gujarat and then head to Rajasthan. Very hot and dry state, so I'm sure we'll be sweating the hell out once we reach Rajasthan. Sharp left ahead, I think it looks like. That's the one. Wow, see those beautiful mountains. A lot of greenery in Maharashtra. Greenery everywhere. I really love the state. First time I've explored so much of Maharashtra. Well, this reminds me of that Charmady Ghats, but the land down is very flat. Charmady is hilly, even down below. It's got a lot of wow, check out the view. Hope you like the drone shots I took. Both the drone and the GoPro I don't think makes justice to actual view. It's amazing, amazing, amazing. Check that out. Beautiful. Check that. You can see the entire horizon from here. Quite an experience coming on this side of India instead of rather than going on the flat straight KTK road. You would have missed all this beautiful, beautiful scenes. Check out that solar panels down there. A huge set of solar panels. The view continues to be mesmerizing. Check that. Like an ocean, it looks the solar panels. So we wasted about 15 minutes again there for the little bit of photos. So we are almost down from the Ghats. Didn't realize it was in the D mode. I didn't have it on the S Sports 2, which I normally ride. So the torque and rattling was there, low torque. The sports mode has much better torque. Sandeep seems to have ripped through this Ghats. I'm driving as calm and safe as possible. No unnecessary risks. Got a lot of luggage on my bike, so the weight is more. Maybe the bike is not designed to carry so much weight, I think. So there's a beautiful river in the midst of all this treacherous off-roading and crazy traffic. Till Dule, it's a bad road. May take another couple of years to get done. We just started work. After that, it's supposed to be a 6-lane highway. Well, check out the beautiful temple on the river. Very rarely you'll find the temple which is inside the river. I think it might get submerged during monsoons. Right now it's monsoon, but the water levels are not that big. So we're about 180 kilometers from Indore right now. The time right now it's 12:30 p.m. Probably we'll go ahead of Indore. We're going to take a left for lunch. Indore is 175 and we're going to some beautiful mountains now. Look at the greenery. Amazingly green. So we are about 25 kilometers from Dhara, and from there hopefully we'll get the 4-lane highway which should take us to Ajmeer. So we changed the plan a bit. From Udaipur we shifted to Ajmeer, as Udaipur is slightly off route to go to Amritsar. Let's see how it goes.